Hi, my name is Dallas Durham, and I'm here with Jan, and we have been working on this diabetes study together, and it's worked out really well. It's been a real pleasurable experience, and when I came here I had a lot of problems I was trying to work out, and with her help and the dietitian's help and with Stephanie Kerr from the therapy, I've been able to accomplish a lot. As you can see, this is my blood sugars over a week's period, jumping up and down, back and forth. And then after we met a few times and we talked about all this, I've just come back for a follow-up, and this is the new results. As you can see, we've made significant progress, and I just really appreciate everybody's help, and thank you. And this is, by the way, without medication, which is really, really neat. So. And thanks for the gym membership too. That was really helpful. So.
And thank your wife.
And thanks my wife too, also for pushing me to get this done, because I didn't really want to come and do this. She's really great.